yells my youngest child to my older child because, yeah, we have rules around farting in my house. Serious rules with consequences. No joke. Now, rules. Some rules are flexible and others are not. The farting rule is a non-negotiable. How can you tell the difference between a serious rule and a more flexible rule in someone's house? It's all about the reinforcement. The farting rule is a strict rule in our house because everyone reinforces it. And my 4 kids are quick to tell on each other with this rule in particular. What? You might be thinking. Let me explain. I'll tell you the farting rules. Rule number 1, no farting when someone is eating. You must leave the room. Rule number 2, no farting in the car with the windows rolled up. Rule number 3, no farting in the car without warning others that it's coming, or making the fart so loud that everyone can roll down the windows before the smell hits us all. Rule number 4, no silent farts ever. If you are not alone, you don't get to do that. Rule number 5, when you fart, you must walk away from the group and count to 15 before you could come back to the group, because farts take about 10 to 15 seconds to ooze out of your clothes and then hit the air. Rule number 6, when you must walk away for a fart, you must be at least 15 feet away from everyone else. Now, these are the real rules in my house. Why? Because rules are best followed when the kids make the rules. Many teachers have students come up with classroom rules on day 1. Teachers know that when students have input on what the rules are, instead of having the rules imposed on them, then students are more likely to follow the rules. Also, if the students come up with the consequences for breaking those rules, then they are more likely to accept those consequences graciously. So involving your children in rulemaking also gives your child a feeling of control, and it shows that you care about their opinions. It is a small, respectful gesture that any parent can do to gain rapport with their child and make rules in the house that are more effective. It will also give you, the parent, an idea of what boundaries are important to your child. So give it a try. And if you come over to my house, you now know that we won't let you fart just freely.